Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best black detergent is probably one of the most essential items in any laundry room, especially for those who love to keep their darks looking as vibrant and deep as the day they bought them. We all know the frustration of seeing those beloved black t-shirts, jeans, and dresses fade to a dull, washed-out gray after just a few cycles, and that's precisely why choosing the right detergent is crucial. Today, we're diving deep into the world of specialized detergents designed to protect and preserve the rich color of your black garments, ensuring they stay looking sharp and new for longer, making your wardrobe investment truly pay off. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets, a revolutionary way to do your laundry. Experience powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals. Our fragrance-free formula is designed for sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to comfort. Go green with our eco-friendly, liquidless detergent sheets. They dissolve completely, leaving no plastic waste behind. Don't let tough stains and odors win. These sheets are powerful enough to handle them all, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Perfect for on the go, our compact sheets are travel-friendly and easy to use anywhere. Enjoy fresh laundry even when you're away from home. Each pack provides 60 loads of powerful cleaning, making it a convenient and economical choice for your household. Get more washes with less hassle. What we like? This option offers a truly eco-conscious laundry experience. Its liquidless sheets eliminate plastic jugs and reduce shipping emissions. If you are looking for a sustainable and convenient way to do laundry, especially while traveling, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This detergent is specifically formulated for black clothes, helping to prevent fading and keep colors vibrant. It effectively removes stains while preserving the deep black color of the fabric. The detergent is gentle on delicate fabrics, ensuring that black garments maintain their shape and texture. Number 4. Woolite Darks Defense Liquid Laundry Detergent. Keep your darks looking their best with Woolite Darks Defense. Its advanced formula is designed to protect colors and prevent fading. This liquid laundry detergent provides a gentle yet effective clean for all your dark garments. It washes away dirt and odors without causing damage. Enjoy a light, fresh scent after every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling clean and revitalized. With 66 loads per bottle, this detergent offers a long-lasting supply for your laundry needs. You'll have plenty to keep your wardrobe fresh. Specifically formulated for dark fabrics, it helps maintain the vibrancy of your clothes. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to lasting color. Whether it's jeans, t-shirts, or sweaters, this detergent is ideal for all your dark laundry items. Trust it to care for your favorite pieces. What we like? This detergent is specifically formulated to keep your dark clothes looking their best. It helps prevent fading and maintains the deep colors of your garments. If you have a lot of dark clothing and want to preserve their vibrancy wash after wash, this is the one for you. What people say. This detergent is specifically formulated for black clothes, helping to maintain their deep color and prevent fading. It effectively removes dirt and stains while preserving the fabric's integrity, leaving clothes looking like new. The detergent's gentle formula is safe for all types of black fabrics, including delicates, and does not leave any residue. Number 3. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent. Introducing Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent, a powerful yet gentle solution for your everyday laundry needs. Experience a superior clean with its plant-based formula. Our detergent is crafted with eco-friendly ingredients, ensuring a sustainable choice for your home. It's designed to be effective while being kind to the planet. Enjoy the pure essence of nature with our plant-based formula. It contains no artificial fragrances, colors, or preservatives, making it ideal for sensitive skin. This liquid detergent comes in a refreshing lavender lily scent, leaving your clothes smelling naturally fresh. It provides a delightful and subtle aroma after each wash. With 150 fluid ounces, this large bottle offers 300 loads of cleaning power. You get exceptional value and long-lasting performance for your entire family. Make the switch to Biokleen for a cleaner, healthier laundry routine. It's the natural choice for a brilliant clean you can feel good about. What we like? Experience a natural clean with this plant-based formula. It's free from artificial fragrances, colors, and preservatives, making it ideal for those with sensitivities. If you prioritize natural ingredients and a gentle yet effective clean for your whole family, this large-sized option is a great value. What people say. This detergent effectively preserves the color of black clothes, preventing fading even after multiple washes. The formula is gentle on fabrics, maintaining the softness and integrity of black garments without causing damage. It leaves black clothes looking deep and vibrant, as if they were newly purchased. Number 2. Rockin Green Hard Rock Laundry Detergent. Introducing Rockin Green Hard Rock Laundry Detergent, the powerful plant-based solution for your laundry needs. It's designed to tackle tough stains even in hard water conditions. This natural laundry detergent powder is biodegradable and an effective odor fighter. You can trust its gentle formula for a clean and fresh wash every time. We understand the importance of gentle care. That's why our unscented formula is safe for sensitive skin, providing a thorough clean without irritation. With 90 loads in every 45-ounce container, this detergent offers exceptional value. It's a cost-effective choice for keeping your clothes clean and fresh. Make a conscious choice for the environment. Our plant-based and biodegradable formula ensures your laundry routine is kind to the planet. Enjoy the pure clean without any added fragrance. This unscented detergent leaves your laundry smelling naturally fresh and clean. What we like. Tackle laundry challenges in hard water conditions with this specialized detergent. It's designed to combat mineral buildup and odors effectively. If you live in an area with hard water and need a powerful yet gentle detergent that's safe for sensitive skin, this is your solution. What people say. This detergent is specifically formulated for black clothes, helping to maintain their deep color and prevent fading. It effectively removes stains and dirt while preserving the fabric's integrity, leaving clothes looking like new. The detergent has a pleasant, subtle scent that doesn't overpower, and it rinses out cleanly without leaving residue. Number 1. Tide Laundry Stain Remover with Oxy, 4-pack. Are you tired of stubborn stains ruining your favorite clothes? Tide Laundry Stain Remover with Oxy is here to help you rescue them. This powerful formula doesn't just work on fabrics. It's also effective on upholstery and carpets, tackling tough stains wherever they appear. Harnessing the power of Oxy, it penetrates deep to lift and remove even the most challenging stains. Get ready for a new level of clean. With this convenient pack of 4, you'll have plenty on hand to keep your home looking its best. Never be caught off guard by a spill again. Don't let stains dictate the life of your belongings. Use this stain treater to restore them to their former glory and enjoy them for longer. What we like. This product is your go-to for tackling stubborn stains on a variety of items. Its Oxy technology works to lift and remove tough marks from clothes, upholstery, and carpets. If you frequently deal with tough stains and need a reliable, powerful stain treater for multiple surfaces, this multi-pack is incredibly convenient. What people say. Best thing I have ever used on stains, even old set-in stains. The entire grease stain was removed. I will be buying more of this product, and I also keep a bottle in my shop. Good travel size. Take off the food stains really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.